like around that, you know? You got hired? I did get hired. I did get a summer internship. Thankfully. Very, very happy. Okay. I mean, dude, I don't know how to do this. Delete their database. How did you know my plan? No, I'm not going to be doing that. So how do I... Okay, so I can just give it context like this. I really don't know how this thing works. API. Scraper. What else would I need to give it? Good old cursor. I'm trying it out for the first time. I have no clue how this works. Main.go. I guess what, like pages I need to give it? Yeah, probably. Dude, how much context does this thing need? I actually just have no clue. So I'm just gonna give it like a fuck ton. It's in util. It doesn't need that. Doesn't need that. Doesn't need that. Context. Does it need that? Oh, it just needs a util, right? Okay. Wow, that's not how you use cursor. Brother, I don't know how to use this. I'm coming from fucking NUFood. I don't know. I'm just trying shit out. Okay. How do I like give it context of all like the shit I need it to have context for? Like, that's what I'm trying to do. I want to like, there's some backend stuff that I have commented right now. I want to uncomment that. And then like, feature, not small edit. Like, I'm trying to like, I don't have a calorie tracker right now. I want it to like make a page on my front end for a calorie tracker and like have it, like I have the nutrient stuff, like use Google 2.5. What the fuck does that mean? What is Google 2.5? Is that like a model? This one? I'm not paying for this, so. I don't think I have Mac. Yeah, I'm not. Okay. Goal is to add the feature of calorie tracker to my website. First scrape store into for how do I tell it how to prep? I don't know what that means. I'm just gonna write like a long ass fucking thing and just hope for the best. This is on a different branch, I don't really care. Analyze my router file to understand how our website code I mean, I'm typing. It's just type to type. The end goal should be for the front end to hit the back end for the daily items available. For planning based on the Google 2.5 Pro. Gotcha. Well, thank you for the advice. I literally, I have no knowledge of this. I've done everything else by hand. I kind of just wanted to try this out for fun. All right, let's just see what this does. I don't know what agent means, but okay. Sent. Sure. Oh, wait. I need to... I should probably give it... like an example of... like what the JSON comes in as for the scraper, right? That seems like a smart thing to do. What? It's best to give it clear goals for what to define as success. You give it too much files. Oh, interesting. I guess, okay. Wait, but if I didn't give it all the files, how will it know? I guess that's a stupid question, but once again, no fucking clue how this shit works. That's not what I wanted. Has a starting point to scan your code base as it needs. Oh, so it can. I didn't know it could scan as it goes. Sure. Can, but you don't want to. Okay, so what should I remove from here then? Because I thought I was supposed to give it all this stuff. How do I give it everything? Because I thought I gave it everything. No, remove everything. Sure. So is this fine? Okay, sure, send it off. Okay, so it's telling me to add the schema. So just gonna give it. This is such a weird way to develop. Oh, I should have restarted? Oh shit, okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna just copy this whole thing. Dude, motherfucker. I feel like I could have like been halfway done with this fucking thing by now. Oh, God. Why can't I scroll up, bro? And I can't Command A? What is happening? Can I shift down at least? Okay, I can shift down. Christ. New chat. So still give it nothing. Okay, I mean, it's going. It's a 1 million context window? God damn. What the fuck did it do here? Click on top. I'm just gonna let it keep going. This is on its own branch. I don't really care if it kills itself. I'll just implement the feature myself later. Click on top to see your middle bottom review file. Okay. I mean, I see I have an accept button, so. What joy. Yeah. I mean, dude, worst case, this thing just doesn't do what I want it to do. Of what? Just implement it myself in like 2 hours. Okay, we are. Oh my god, we are making changes. Okay. Resume the conversation. Why did it add to-do comments? Why the fuck didn't it just do them? Bro, what the fuck? Chris implemented a function in the wrong file. I told it to move it. What, did it just fuck up? It just deleted it. That's fire. That's so far. Yeah, dude, I don't know what the fuck. I'm looking at it on my other monitor right now. It's quite funny. Dude. Yeah, you're right, dude. YOLO accept all, because none of this matters anyway. I'm definitely just like not gonna use it. So how do I see like what the diff was? I just like don't think this will work straight up because it scrapes it, but now like it adds the nutrient. Okay. But it doesn't store it. Like it didn't change anything in my database file. So it just won't be storing this. Or maybe it doesn't need to. Did you tell it to store it? I mean, I said like it needs to be in the database. But also like technically it goes off the same type, so if it edited the type it should be fine. Do I believe that? No, because it didn't change. I just don't think it has the context it needed because it would have needed to change in assuming data context provides necessary data. Data context just isn't a thing. Where the fuck is this? What else would it need? Fuck if I know. God, I can't type. How the fuck do you vibe code? I'm not vibing. I feel like I'm doing anything but vibing. Oh god. Dude, this shit sucks. At least from like an enjoyment perspective. Netflix and music. Dude, Seb, this is what I feel like. Like, what the fuck is it doing? It gets weird because, how long have I been doing this? Like 30 minutes? Like, I don't know, I feel like I could have just like implemented this myself in like 30 minutes. But whatever, YOLO, accept all. Okay. It still didn't change anything back here. Oh yeah, no, I'm basing this off of like a working like master branch. Like I'm probably just gonna fucking delete this branch. Is my assumption. You disable its access to Git commands. I don't know how to do that, and I'm scared that it can access Git commands. What? How do I disable that? Okay, so this isn't selected. I mean, it seems fine. Sure. Okay, whatever. See, the thing is, like, to test this, it's connected still to, like, the database that I'm just, like, using. So I'd probably have to, like, to safely test this, I should either use SQLite or just create like a new database instance and connect to that. But both of those are a lot of work, actually. But also, like, it'll get overwritten in the morning. Because when I scrape it, it'll be fine. Or I could just change it to test cases. What DB provider are you using? I host the backend in DB on Railway. But like, it's a Postgres DB. I mean, whatever. Give me 1 second. These are after hours, it doesn't matter anyway. Where the fuck? Okay, here. Okay, so I do also need to be running this. See if it even runs, actually. Some of the test case failures didn't clean up the test, but ended up cleaning. Oh. Well, ain't that delicious? What happens if I'm not vibing with the vibe code? Okay, so we scrape. Forgot that the full scrape takes like a good minute-ish. Actually, this is fine to show. Gotta start small? Dude, apparently. So we've got all this stuff with the daily items. Do I have... would that be API? Do I have just like a daily items thing anymore even? Gotta start small. Dude, whatever. It doesn't matter. No, this is real. I mean, I guess I can just... Do I have one in my database? Daily... Whatever, I'll just look for it myself. Okay, so get all daily items. Sure. So. We're tabbing. Wait, get all daily items? Is that what I named that? Okay. Sure. Why? Why question it? And then I still need to pick it up with the main go though. Oh fuck, I forgot this doesn't use Gorilla. Oh, that's so bad. Huh. Sure. Let's try to run it now. I think that should be good, because then we can just hit the endpoint and see what the daily items are, because we should have inserted daily items. I think. Yeah, because we have scrape weekly and scrape daily. Okay, yeah. So, what am I hosting this on actually? I think it's 8081. Okay. So we did get it. And it did make a calorie thing. Okay. Did we vibe by accident? Dude, we might have. But it's getting nothing here. And I also definitely don't love just a scroll bar. But I mean, it's not bad. Why is it not getting... I guess because what endpoint is it hitting? Oh, because it's not hitting the endpoint. Second message is very important. Yeah, for sure. I'm just trying to think what the second message should be. I guess, this is good. Adjust the API on the back end for general and all data to return the daily items that I stored the trend info to, and send this to the front end under a different I don't know, key such that in the calorie tracker that data also make the calorie tracker page not just a scrollable list. Maybe something, maybe add, I don't know, like fuzzy searching. Thing I noticed Claude does better and uses. Okay. I mean, as of now, I'd like, if it can do this shit, like, cool. I'd be appreciative. Send. Let's see. Let's see what it does. And on this, in vibe coding way, I will check my phone and reply to my girlfriend. Are we vibing? Are we vibing? I feel like I'm gonna have to do like a whole rewrite at some point of this because it's so piss. Like I keep adding features and just like ignoring the time that like this is going to add latency, like quite a bit of it. Like there's a ton of redundant information that I'm passing, but whatever. I will figure that out at some other point. If it works, it works. Am I right? In true vibe way. Who gives a fuck? So you know what we do around here, accept all. So why are there no items? Console. Can ask Gemini to analyze the codebase and make a list of 10 things. That'd be good. I see the appeal of this. I definitely see the appeal. But it's also just like, this has been horribly unfun. Like, just being honest, this is not fun. But I guess it's the future, which kind of sucks. If I'm being for real. Cause like, can I screenshot stuff? I can, cool. There is no data on the... Depends on what you're working on, I guess, yeah. I mean, something like this, like, I don't know how much enjoyment I would have done even, like, having it myself. But I definitely would have had more fun than just, like, doing whatever the fuck this is. I'm gonna check something really quickly. Because I have a sneaking suspicion that I'm, like, not using localhost in the... It's like the fetcher. So give me a second. No, I'm using the right thing. Okay. Having more fun than spending hours trying to style. It's fair. Okay, so it's still just not getting. What's up, Code? What's up, big dog? So let me see what general data is giving me back. So general data is just not spitting back because I didn't rerun this. Okay, that's completely my fault. Yeah, that's my fault. Yeah, that's my fault. I don't know what the fuck it changed then, but whatever. It is my fault. Hee hoo hoo. I forgot it doesn't have hot fixing. Or hot reload. Or at least, like, I'm not running Go with air, which means no hot fixes. Okay, let's see now. How's trying at Kusher? It's not that bad. It's definitely unfun. But like, I don't know, it's a very simple feature that I'm trying to implement. It's still not getting the calories and stuff. Which is weird because why is it sending off on general data and on all data? That's wrong. Because like it has this daily items with nutrients thing, but it's still just not. And I don't think this is the vibe way, but I'm not. I'm trying to like understand what's happening. Totally not vibe. Dude, fuck, my bad. I should be vibing. Still not. Yeah, me too, Code. I hate it so much. Fucking, like, what if I even say, though? Like, endpoint is returning data correctly. Hey. But all the values for nutrients are still 0. Please fix or I will die. Dude, now we're vibing. My most used prompt is fix this shit, dude. Dude, apparently that's gonna be my most used too. Is that even true? Is it lowercase? I guess it is lowercase. Accept all. Oh shit. There it is. Search for items. chicken. Wow. Powerful. So if I add it. Okay. Bread pudding. I mean, that's like, it's cool. So if I search by protein, yeah. I mean, like, I guess we vibed. Did we not? It seems like we vibed. I gotta remove this banner. Shit, where is that though? Oh, fuck, there's no telescope in this. That's in my components. Dude, for something that simple, I'm not using a prompt. I can't. I can't get myself to do that. I cannot get myself to do that. It's one line. And I press tab. I'm still vibing. I promise, dude. I promise. I'm trying to vibe. Dude, I'm gonna crash out. I told it to move 5 lines from one file to another. Dude, no, man. What if I just tell it to make it look better? This all works. Yippee. Wowza. Can you make it look better now? Throw some styling on it. Make it more efficient to, i.e. only load like 50 items. Don't render the whole thing. Try it. So bad at vibe coding, I end up telling the AI what to do because it doesn't. Yeah, exactly. It's like, dude, why are we installing? What the fuck are we installing? You need to say that it's a rank 1. Dude, I can't with this. I can't. You gotta tell it that you'll kill yourself if it doesn't do it right. Like, what? Oh yeah, bro, it's vibing. We're vibing. Will it actually? That's so funny. That's so funny if we like, I know it won't actually, but like, if it's like, I'll report you. All right, so we gotta run this. Accept. Why is it killing itself? The fuck? Bro. Bro, I'm not vibing right now. Bro, I'm not vibing right now. Okay, wait. Holy fuck. Okay, dude, we vibed. We're still rendering the whole list. Why are we rendering the whole list? Why are we rendering the whole list? Don't know. Couldn't tell you. Let's it's virtual. Oh. Sure. Why not? Why not? Beef. I want to be able to, like... Alright, dude, fuck it. Good enough. Do I make a new chat here? What's the meta here? Do I make a new chat? Or do I keep the chat? New chats are good? Do we new chat? Dude, what's up, Shaman? Dude, we're vibing. Dude, we're vibing. We're making a new chat, Shaman. That's what we're doing. We're vibing. Let's give it the calorie planner. Dude, why not? Let's change to Claude. Why not? Can you... Let's make the website 3D, dude. Why not? 3JS, why not? Can you make it so... Throw it into architect mode. Used up my free cursor trial calls. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna pay for cursor for sure. But like this free trial is pretty fun. I definitely can't do the UI to the speed, but I definitely do think that I could have hooked up the backend API and the front end like 20 minutes faster. Maybe that's a skill issue on my part, that I just didn't vibe correctly. But we're accepting all. Quantity, dude, wow. That's pretty good. Dude, we're vibing. Dude, we're vibing. Look at us go, guys. Drake's in the chat. Drake's in the chat. It still like looks bad, but I don't blame it because most of this website looks bad. Change the minus on the right. That's true. Make the remove item button an X, as to not confuse the user. Also, if we could save the calorie plans to local storage, that would be cool. Or session storage. Should I do local actually? Well, if I did local, no, because then the daily items could change. Yeah, it should be session. Requesty is an open router. Dude, we don't know what caching means? Oh, fuck, we vibe too hard. Fuck, we have vibe too hard. We have vibe too close to the sun. All right, accept all, sure. Why not? I don't know what it did. Oh, it's an X. Wow, look at that. Ah, found an error. When adding item with nan, it ruins the rest of the data calculation. Fix this so that something did it session storage at least? No, did not session storage. Hey Claude, I'm sad. Tell me a bedtime story. Yeah, so this is actually cached. We did this earlier today. Okay, cool. Cool. Cool, we're still good. But it's simply not using session storage. Ah, so it's resetting it. So it's storing to session storage, but then when dude, we're vibing. We're vibing. Are we vibing? I don't know. Maybe. Dude, we might be vibing. All right, we're just gonna keep accepting lines because I don't care. All right, so we got nothing. We add some stuff. So it should stay here. Okay, that looks like shit, whatever. We kept it. Look at that, bang! Are we, do we flex box? Do we do? Wow, powerful. Except when I'm like this. So wait, what? Fix the phone display. It's all crowded. You can't see the summary. Please fix this UI. Okay. How do I see how many like requests I've used or like how much more I have? Because I feel like I should be approaching the limit, right? Surely. Okay. So I make new chats, sure. Good idea. Why is this taking so fucking long? Come on, cursor. I expected my vibes to be done. God. Okay. Uh, what the fuck is this? What model is good for? All right, we're gonna try 4.0 mini. What's good for UI? Does anyone know? Any knowers? Google? Sure. Sonnet? Claude 7. Claude 3.7. All right. All right, we're vibing. We're back to vibing. Holy fuck, this is something else, that's for sure. Yeah, isn't the cost like I know nothing about these costs because I just like don't pay for anything AI because I just don't use it that much. How long did it take to make the mobile version of NUFood until launch? I mean, I worked on it off and on. Like, it wasn't really that much of a priority for me, but probably like 2 months. Because I also like, besides this, I don't use AI for much of anything. So it was like, I was just trying to learn it. So I didn't really care about speed. God damn, this takes forever. Cost performance, Google is the best. Sure. Sure. I don't know. This thing is crazy. It's like crazy that this is like a thing. No? Like this is crazy that this exists. I mean, the calorie tracker, that's the idea. Or like calorie tracker, protein tracker, stuff like that. Accept all, why not? Gives a fuck. Oh shit, look at that. Stack using TypeScript, React, and then Go for my backend. Bro, what the fuck is this? Okay, so it's like kind of fine ish. But it just doesn't adjust for dark mode. Ask it to implement 3 different styles. Is that like tech? Okay. Sure. You guys are teaching me some fucking prompting. Some prompts. Can you actually do that? Can it use the browser? I have no clue what it's good at. Can't use the browser. You lied to me, code. How dare you? Sometimes I for multiple option scales with that. Okay. I see. I see. Use some AI API keys. I'm not gonna do that. I will not be paying for any of this. God damn, this takes for fucking ever. Come on, I just want to check my prompt. Dude, I just want to vibe. Why is this taking so long? I just want to vibe. Please, let me vibe, please. You can code while you vibe code? Can you codeception? Holy shit, we're applying. Wait, no, we're still generating. Cool, accept all. 400 lines have changed? Yeah. Why not make it a 700 line file? Oh, dude, we vibed. Dude, holy fuck, we vibed. Don't know why the X is down here, but whatever. Holy fuck, we vibed. Guys, we vibed. Let's see, does it keep it too? Dude, guys, we vibed. Who said a 700 line file isn't good? Like everyone, but dude, we vibed. Dude, we vibed. The fuck happened? I have no clue. This is quite funny. What is 60%? Oh, it's like 60% of... Wait, 60%? How does this get calculated? What the fuck is this in reference to? What are the percents in reference to? Oh, based on daily. That's pretty nice, actually. There's probably a million things I could do better here, but like whatever. Kind of cool. I mean, like, good enough. Add buttons to share it on social media. How would I do that? So I don't think anyone would ever use that. It is cool though. Kind of want that open by default. You make the options open. Probably start a new chat for this, right? I'm learning. All right. Cool. Last thing I'm gonna ask it is, can you separate the file to more modular components? Don't really like the 700 lines in one file. So I should probably commit this first. That's a good shout out. I will do that. Fuck is a checkpoint? This is my checkpoint. I just checkpointed. Oh. All right, this will be the last prompt that I do, assuming that it works. You can go up and click restore checkpoint. Is that real? Oh shit. Okay, I didn't know that. I'm gonna probably end right after this. This is interesting. That's for sure. I can for sure say that it was interesting. And we vibed. Let's see if it gets this all right. Next stream, I'll probably just have to review everything that it wrote before like pushing to prod. We're still going. We're still going. Holy shit, we're still going. Okay. If you can inject a prompt, you can tell it to use a memory bank and a task list and create subtasks. Holy shit, I have so much to learn in the vibe way. That seems like, dude, just fucking write the code at that point. See, I just don't know how I would use this for something like actually complex. But I guess like, do I even have a project that's complex? I don't know. I don't know. Holy fuck, what is happening in this file, bro? Yeah, I think that's how I would use it, Exile. You want to make a folder in components? Go right ahead. Accept all. Okay. Seems like it's all still working. So max is out at 100. That's also not good. It just shouldn't be math.min. Okay. So now I got the percentages right. I mean, it looks fine. Good enough? Sure. There goes my career. GG. Set up code to delete the database. Dude, unlucky. Then we get nuked. GG. All right. Uh, update. What the fuck did I even update? Percentages. What did I do? Percentages. What the fuck else did I? Oh, modular. Cool. All right, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. This was pretty fun. And by pretty fun, I don't know if it was fun because coding, because I didn't code at all. And I spent an hour and a half. But we got a feature. Pretty cool. All right. Everyone have a good night. I don't know when I'm going to stream next. Sorry for like the very sporadic schedule, but I'm kind of just like chilling. I don't know. I'm like just enjoying college. So no promises as to when my next stream will be, but probably keep working on something like this. So I hope you all have a wonderful night. Connect with me on LinkedIn, join the Discord if you want to. Yeah. Ever since you got a job, you changed. I know, I stopped grinding lead code every day. I'm happier. I'm less stressed. Shocker. When you get a job, you get less stressed and want to play basketball with your friends instead of lead coding. That's literally like why I haven't been streaming. It's like, I'll just like go play basketball with my friends. Or like, I'll go watch a movie with my friends instead of like watching fucking how-to lead codes in my free time. I definitely want to be streaming more though, because I have been like pushing that off in terms of like, I don't know, just watching a YouTube video or something. Because I do miss this. It is very fun. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful night. I will try my best to stream again soon. Goodbye.